To make proper use of your Moment account, you'll need to set it up properly. In this video, we'll run you through the most used and most important setup menus. On the left side of the company page, you'll define general company settings, such as your organizational number, address, and default bank account. The logo you upload here will be used for both offers and invoices. On the right side, you add in various bank details. If you operate with different currencies and bank accounts, you can add several accounts here and later regulate which accounts should appear on invoices. Moment uses up-to-date currency conversion from openexchangerates.org. Access control regulates which areas of Moment each coworker has access to. One setting is for company level and regulates general system access, such as which areas are available in the main menu. The other setting is for project level and regulates what you will access inside specific projects. For example, a group of project managers might have limited system access, but should have full access inside the projects they manage. You then give them a limited company access level, but a full project access level. You can create as many access levels as you want and easily regulate the permissions on each level. The company level is defined on each coworker, and the project level is determined by the coworker's role in each separate project. Add as many relevant project roles as you like and set project access levels per role. Use an average and define self-cost per hour to calculate the cost when using a role in planning. Set a standard sales price for the role, which will be available for use in price models. Tags is the most versatile and useful tool in all of Moment. They can be used to categorize almost anything inside the system and helps you work more efficiently and create incredibly detailed specific reports. Start with creating a tag group. Add a fitting name and decide whether the tag should be mandatory. Add a description that states the purpose of the category. Then add tags to the group. Give each tag a name and an optional tag code. You can customize both the color and icon of the tag to make it stand out. Add a description if necessary. Tag your coworkers to define teams, competencies, or standard project roles. This can be used when adding coworkers to projects, when viewing reservations, and when creating reports. For example, which team has worked the most hours the past month. Tag your customers and make it easy to see things like which industry they're in, or whether it's a private or public company. Use this in reports to find out if certain groups are more profitable to your business than others. Tag your projects with categories to see the various types of projects that you're currently working on or have been working on previously. Compare historical project data and extract key numbers about hours, cost, and profitability, which you can use to make better decisions in your future projects. If your company uses price lists and project budgets, then this is where you will set them up. Start by creating a new price list. Add rows to define if the prices are for a specific person, for a specific role, or if a specific person has a specific role in the project. Set an hourly rate and optionally define whether price is valid for a specific period. The latter is very useful when you're creating price lists defined by years, or you know there's going to be a price adjustment in the future. Whenever you need special text fields inside Moment that are currently not there by default, you can add your own custom fields. Custom fields are available for customers, projects, tasks, and coworkers. Start by adding in the field name, and a new set of options will appear. In the next column, decide which type of input field it should be. Maybe you want it to be a date picker or link to an external website. Define whether the field should be required, and if there should be a default text in the field when it appears in the database. Hit save, and you'll see that you have a new input field available. In the settings section, you'll define global settings for different areas inside your Moment account. There are hundreds of different setting options, much too much for a short help video, so we highly recommend that the account administrators spend some time going through the various options and decide global settings for the company. Most settings can be overwritten inside specific areas. for example invoice settings or project settings.